In this question, we've been told that there are 160 boys in Year 11 at Basingstoke School. 8 of these boys are going to represent the school at an event. The head teacher decides to use a simple random sample to choose the 8 boys, and we've been asked to describe how he could do this. So as always, we need to make sure that we are very specific with our steps, that we're making use of the context, and we're being specific with the numbers that we're referring to. So the first thing we're going to need is for each of these 160 boys in the school, we need them in a numbered list. So that's usually called a sampling frame. And we're going to make sure we number that list, that sampling frame. And we're going to number them from 1 to 160. So my first sentence, number a list of each of the boys from 1 to 160. There I've been specific. Next, I need to choose some of the boys at random. And I'm suggesting that we use a random number generator to pick 8 unique numbers. So 8 unique numbers. That means that if there are any repeats, it wouldn't count as one of the 8. I would need to select again until I have 8 unique, distinct numbers. Okay, the numbers that I'm picking are once again between 1 and 160. Alright, so now when I've selected those 8 unique numbers, those boys, they are going to be the sample. So those 8 boys will form the sample. Okay, so this is how I'm going to choose it. I was very specific with the numbers. I was going from 1 to 160. I said how many people I need. I said how I'm going to make sure that they're random. I mentioned the fact that I'm going to number the list, and I used the digits 1 to 160 in my numbered list. Okay, this is the level of detail you need when you're asked to describe a sampling technique.